What's the deal, YouTube? Man, right now I'm in front of one and only headquarters. Man, dedicated to this place, man, because I literally drove not that far, a few hours to get this bad boy right here. Check it out, YouTube. Get it out the damn box. Shit. There we go. Yeah. Oh boy. Helping you experience the unboxing. Get a little bit of thrill. As much as I got out of it. Whop. So, there it is. Carbon fiber nautilus. The red thing, too. Dude, this place is very friendly. I just brought in my Kraken and my Triton and told my situation that I really don't know shit about how to tune balisongs, and I was hoping that they would, help me out. And sure enough, man, no hesitation. Like, was just totally just down for the fucking customers. I really respect that about Squid Industries. The Nautilus, not bad. Definitely not used to this type of weight. I really am blown away on how light this thing is. No handle play. No tap. Oof. Yeah, I gotta oil this thing. But yeah, I gotta go get my other balisongs here in a second. So just a little preview of what I came up here for. Yep. All right.